like she's roasting marshmallows and putting them right in my ear. Hello. You do a facial?
Yes.
Facial, how much?
Facial.
Facial. 30?
30 the clean here.
No, I don't need a shave.
Chef, yeah.
I don't need a shave. No,
他
no
不要
shave.
他不要，他这做脸的。
他要不要洗呢？
是洗脸啊，洗脸要不要刮胡子？不要刮胡子。
现在他要画。
No shave 啊？
No shave.
他不要，他只有
Oh,
清洁。
$8, right?
来了，清洁 only
Can you do ear picking? You make ear?
都套都来吧。OK.
You do ear?
Yeah.
Right here.
You want it?
$8 ear pick, right?
Yeah.
You clean my ear?
Yeah.
Clean.
Yes.
Okay. Clean my ear, please. I have a very dirty ear, so I know you can clean it.
Yes. 套耳朵的啊。对，还有说不定还做脸。
Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'm ready. Cool. Oh, I'll take my jacket off. Very good.
Yes, I like that. Movie star. I like the movie star.
You like my beard?
Yeah. My
Thank you.
sister.
You ladies look like movie stars.
Yeah, I like you movie star.
Thank you. I like you, movie star. You look like a hot Shanghai movie star. What's your name?
My name is May.
May.
M-A-Y May.
May. Okay, May. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I'm Jason.
No, Jason.
Oh, that's good. Oh, walking around Chinatown. You get dirty ears going around New York City. How's it look? Does it look bad?
Yes.
Look really dirty or no?
Yeah. No dirty.
Take your time. Don't rush.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, I feel that. Yes. Yes. That's digging deep. That's like a Q-tip in my ear, just digging around. Don't worry. I've done this before.
Okay.
How many years you do this?
I don't know.
You don't know how many years? 1 year? 2 years?
Oh, yeah, 10 years.
10 years you learned this, huh? You learned this in New York or in Hong Kong, China?
China.
You learned this in China?
Yeah.
Nice,
Malaysia.
good. Malaysia? Oh, I love Malaysia.
Okay.
Love to Malaysia. Are you Chinese or Malaysian?
Chinese.
You're Chinese, right? Okay. Oh, she's getting deeper. Yeah. I think I can feel it on my brain.
Okay.
Is it a lot of wax or no? So much? So much or no?
No.
No much? Oh, so I'm not so dirty. Oh, that feels good. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. That's even deeper now. That's getting deeper. Good. Oh, yeah. That's a hard piece, right? Yes, that's good. You're good. Nothing hurts.
Yeah.
It just feels weird, but good. How is it? Good color?
Good.
You can make a candle with that wax, you know? Hello.
啱唔啱？你個錢跟住你走，就是去玩這樣子。 冇意思啫，我哋又想錄影。
来来，录影就录影，怎么办法？人家叫你录你就不要。多放一点。
Oh, you make it hot. That's a hot cotton ball. Oh man, it's like she's roasting marshmallows and putting them right in my ear. Like a campfire back at school. You like a marshmallow? Me too. Yes. So what she does is she twists that around and goes deeper and deeper with the stick. She starts at the outside, right? Little by little going deeper and deeper. It's an ancient Chinese technique learned in Malaysia, right? Deep in the mountains or in the city? In Penang, Kuala Lumpur?
Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, Kuala Lumpur, okay.
KL.
Oh, and learned in KL.
Yeah, Kuala Lumpur, KL.
Oh, now she's digging deeper. Deep in the cave. Can you speak Malaysia language? No. Selamat terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Oh,
Yeah. Alright. Makan.
Wah, makan ha. 有道啊.
Saya suka makan Malaysia.
Wah. You good ne.
Bagus.
Bagus.
Terima kasih. Makasih ya.
哇，你好厉害。Bagus 你都会讲。
Bagus. Bagus means good.
You go vacation in Malaysia?
Yeah, I love Malaysia.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah. Hello to all our Malaysian viewers out there. We love you, Malaysia. Right? You love Malaysia? Yeah?
Yeah.
You like Malaysia food?
Yeah, food, yeah, good. Chinese.
Sankaya? I like sankaya on toast. Oh.
Oi lam cay.
Oi lam cay. What's that, chicken rice?
Chicken rice.
Oh yeah, we like that chicken rice. Man, you know what you're doing. I like that. Sometimes you get the white people come in and do this. White people, American people like this.
Yeah.
They like it.
Yeah, I like it.
I never saw I never see anybody do this except Chinese people, really. And Jason Rupp. May,
Yes.
you gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel?
China?
You subscribe? Click subscribe. All right, I'll help you later. Oh, yeah, she's rubbing the canal over and over and over again. The heat lamp is nice and hot. I feel like a chicken nugget in the warmer at KFC.
Oh, KFC.
Yeah, you know, like fried chicken under the heat lamp.
Yeah.
Popeyes.
Popeye. I like it Popeye.
Oh, you like Popeyes?
Yeah.
Spicy or not spicy?
Spicy, okay.
Oh, you like spicy?
Yeah,
All right.
spicy.
Yeah, of course, because
Yeah, cool.
you spent time in Malaysia. She's heating up the cotton, twisting it around. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's rubbing at the edge. Wow, yeah. It's kind of like she's twisting my cervix around in there, you know? Yeah, like that. Nothing hurts though, it just feels weird, that's all. Nothing hurts. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Nothing else?
No.
Alright, I'm all clean. Let me yeah. Thank you, May.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Oh, that was really cool. So
you.
how much?
$8.
$8. All right, it's $8
Yeah, $8.
here in Doyers Street. What's the address?
Doyers St. Doyers St. 16.
16 Doyers Street.
Yeah.
They're closing soon. I am the last customer, right? Last customer. All right.
You're last.
Thank you, May.
Yeah.
What's the name of the shop? Name shop?
Apple Salon.
Apple Salon.
This one.
Okay, it's right here.
Yeah.
Toy Apple Beauty and Barber Salon. Phone number 347-498-6814. They'll do beauty and barber salons and facial waxing. Okay. May I have a 20? You can. I want to give you $5 tip, so you give me back $7. Okay.
$7. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much too.
Okay, thank you.
Today, how many hours did you work? Long day?
Any day.
Every day, right?
Yeah.
Aw,
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank
you.
you.
Hello, YouTube.
Yeah, you too. See you soon.
She's looking for her phone.
Oh, this one.
Oh, I like that. You got a golden case there. She's gonna be my new subscriber.
This one, you this one. Okay.
Oh, WeChat? Yeah,
WeChat,
I
huh?
have WeChat. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
In Jakarta.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, May, so
Okay,
much.
thank you.
Lots of love.
See
See
you.
you next time. See you. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so that's it. I can hear again. My ears are all clean. I can hear. So this is right next to the Nom Wah Tea Parlor over here. And this is a Sunday evening and people are still waiting around. Look at that. Look at all these people waiting here. There's like 50 people waiting to get inside there to drink some tea and have some dim sum. It's the oldest tea parlor in New York City. But anyway, that was Toy Apple Beauty Salon and Barber. It was $8 to get your ears cleaned. I want to encourage more people to come and support these places. You know, it's only $8. It's a good experience. A lot of people might think it wasn't kind of a risky thing to do. You know, like if you want to get your ears cleaned, you got to go to the doctor. Hey, that's up to you. That is up to you. Wishing you lots of peace, love, health, and happiness. Thanks for watching that. Thanks for clicking like, subscribe, commenting, and just kind of tell me what you thought about that, all right? Say anything you can think of. And if you really want to show your love, just click share, okay? All right, bye-bye. Hello. Apple, you know where I can get a pedicure? Pedicure?
No.
Don't know? Okay, I'll just walk around. Bye-bye, see you. Okay, I'll just walk around and get a pedicure somewhere. I don't know where. Don't know where yet. Hello. How much is pedicure? Oh, what about no manicure?
It's the same price.
Oh, same price, yeah? Okay.
So many pedicures for the special.
Oh, 20, yeah? Oh, okay.
So,
Okay. What time close?
8 o'clock.
Oh, soon. Okay, maybe. What's up from Chinatown, New York City? I'm downtown Manhattan. Here's a place that says A Hair Beauty Shop. It says haircuts are $6, shampoos 10, clean your face for 80. I don't know what that means. Clean your ear for 5, clean your foot for $5. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna see what that means. It's a downstairs place on East Broadway. Hello. Can you do a clean foot?
Huh?
Clean foot.
No. Your haircut?
Oh,
No.
no feet?
No.
Oh.
Well done.
You don't do pedicures or anything, or for scrubbing or anything?
They do haircuts.
They only do haircuts here?
I guess so. Yeah.
Oh, it's on the menu. All right, okay, all right. You do facial? No? Okay, all right, bye-bye.
There's an older woman who's here sometimes. This is the second time I've been there. I think it was her mother. Maybe she does it. I don't know.
Oh, I gotta look for
I don't
her.
speak English.
Facial. Here, face.
Facial.
Facial, yeah, you know, yeah. Or pedicure.
Pedicure, no.
No, oh, you understand pedicure, okay. All right, no?
Thank you.
Thank you.
My brother was just here and she speaks English. So.
She speaks, okay, I'll be back another
She
time.
doesn't
Thank
speak
you, okay. No facial?
No.
Okay, all right, bye-bye.
Bye.
See you. Oh, well.
The second time I've been here, there's an older woman who must be her mother who.
Look, come here, look at this, look.
Yeah, I'm sure you're right.
Look, it says right here, $5 to clean foot. I want to try that.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.